Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to add your Facebook friends to your TikTok app. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna of course go to the TikTok app. You're gonna be signed in, and then over here is a menu which you're going to click, and you're gonna go to settings and privacy, and then you're gonna go to privacy, and then there is this option, sync contacts and Facebook friends. You have an option here to sync Facebook friends, and here you can sync contacts. So when you want to do that, just click on this, it will turn green and it will sync your friends. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe for more useful tips.